And then turn right to overhand weave, turn left to underhand weave, turn right to pinwheel, turn right to overhand weave, turn left to underhand weave, turn right to pinwheel, turn right to overhand weave, turn left to underhand weave, open up the underhand weave, bring it into circle same time, underhand cap, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now do a 360 turn to the right into the cap, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now do a left turn 360, back into the cap, underhand, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're gonna do a little right turn 360 again, and then 4, 3, 2, 1. Left turn 360. Now we're gonna cut it in half. So 2 caps, 1 and 2, right turn, and 1 and 2, left turn, and 1 and 2, right turn, and 1 and 2, and left turn, and then halfway around to the right side into overhand cap, 4, 3, 2, 1. And now I want you to do a left turn 360, and 4 caps, 3 caps, 2 caps, 1. And now a right turn 360, and 4 caps, 3 caps, 2 caps, and 1. Left turn 360, and 4, and 3, and 2, and 1. Right turn 360. Now cut it in half. We'll do 2 caps, 1 and 2, and left turn, and cap 1, cap 2, right turn, cap 1, cap 2, left turn, and cap 1, cap 2, right turn, and come into overhand weave, left turn to underhand weave, right turn to overhand weave, left turn to underhand weave, right turn to overhand weave, open it up, stall your right poi between the legs, come into overhand butterfly, angel, butterfly, angel, butterfly, angel, butterfly, angel, right out, moving to the right. So step and move, 3 and 4, we're moving to the left, and step, and 2, and 3, and 4, and right up for 4, moving right, and 2, and 3, and 4, and left turn 1, or left side, 2, and 2, and 3, and 4. Now we're gonna cut it in half. So right out for 2, left out for 2, and right up for 2, and left up for 2, boom, and repeat that. So right goes twice, and left goes twice, and right up twice, and left up twice. And now we'll just do single standing still with the tap. Right out and in, and left out and in, and right up and down, and left up and down, and right out and in, left out and in, right up and down, left up and down, right out and in, left out and in. Now knee up with the right up, knee up with the left up, right out and in, left out and in. Now knee right up and knee left up, butterfly, angel, butterfly, angel, butterfly, angel, butterfly, angel, left take out, left turn. Now we're gonna go into that 4-petal flower in spin, left goes front, right goes back. So sides, up, sides, down, 3 more, sides, up, sides, down, 2 more, sides, up, sides, down, last one, sides, up, sides, down. Now anti-spin reversal, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And now turn to overhand butterfly, then butterfly 360 to the right. And then 1 more turn to the right side here. Now we'll go into the in spin. So the left goes back, right goes front, and sides, up, sides, back. 3 more, sides, up, sides, back, sides, up, sides, back, and last time sides, up, sides. Now reversal to the anti-spin, 4, and 3, and 2, and 1. And then we're gonna turn to the front, and now I want you to turn and tap to the left. So tap on the calf, squat and stall, back to butterfly, now to the right. Turn and tap, squat and stall, back to butterfly, to the left. Turn and tap, squat and stall, back to butterfly, to the right. Turn and tap, squat and stall, back to butterfly. Now I want you to take your left one out, stall your left hand, and counterclockwise chasing the sun, 4, and 3. Now under the leg, 2. And then on this last one, come up, come into the buzzsaw, back to where we were in the beginning, bring it back behind you, kick, release, and chase the sun again. 4, 3, right under the right leg, and then come up, wrap it up, come into buzzsaw, and we'll repeat. Come back behind, kick, come to the front, release, go into the giant, and swivel. 4, 3, 2, 1. And now go into the chasing sun again. 4, 3, under the leg. And now come up, wrap it up, but this time we're not going to go behind the back. I want you to plane shift it down onto your right arm, so you're looking down at a counterclockwise buzzsaw. Turn to the left and